Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Tata Capital personal loan. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements, such as age and income. Next, prepare all your essential documents, including proof of identity, address, and income. Finally, we will walk through the straightforward online application process step by step. This guide will help you navigate the entire journey smoothly and efficiently. To qualify, you typically need to be between 21 and 58 years of age. A stable income is crucial, with many lenders looking for a minimum monthly earning of around $15,000. For documentation, have your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and recent bank statements ready. Salary slips or income tax returns for the last 2 years are also often requested to verify your financial stability. Begin by visiting the official Tata Capital website and navigating to their personal loan section. You'll find an easy-to-use online application form. Fill it out carefully with all your personal and financial information. After completing the form, upload scanned copies of all your necessary documents. The system will guide you through each step, making the process quite simple and user-friendly. Once your application is submitted, Tata Capital usually processes it quite quickly, often within a few business days. Upon approval, the loan amount will be directly disbursed into your registered bank account. This efficient process ensures you receive your funds promptly. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. We hope this guide helps you secure your personal loan with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.